Yeah. Okay. We'll repeat step by step. Complex numbers. The first, we have an equation z squared plus 4z plus 5. How to solve this equation? Yalla boys, give how to solve this equation. Boys. To solve this equation, we find delta. Delta is b squared minus 4ac. بيطلع delta negative. So then it has no real solution. Since radical delta equal minus 4 doesn't exist.
imaginary هدول.
Okay, so we say I squared equal, we have I squared equal minus 1. So delta is minus 4. I can change it to 4I squared. And we get two imaginary roots, minus b plus radical delta over 2a, minus b minus radical delta over 2a. Any questions about this slide? Tomik?
No stage.
Okay. Now, algebraic.
No.
No, set of complex numbers are written in the form za plus ib. A is real. A real should be real. Will be real. I squared is minus 1. Example 3 plus 2i is a complex number.
Yes.
We have the set R is the subset of the set of complex numbers. Z equal A plus IB is called the algebraic form. Algebraic form بيكون A plus IB, no I in the denominator. So A plus IB.
Yes.
What we call A?
Real part.
A is called
Real part.
of Z. We write real Z equals A, R, capital R, small e. B is the imaginary part of Z. We put IM, imaginary Z, capital I, small m, equals B. So far, so good about this slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Remarks. Z is real. In which case we say Z is real?
If B is 0, so there is no imaginary.
B equals 0. What is B represent? The imaginary part is 0.
0.
Z is pure imaginary if A equal to 0 and B different from 0. So for a complex number to be pure imaginary, real part equals 0, 2i minus 4i, 3i. Z is a complex number. Z is a 0, a complex number if A is 0 and B is 0.
Yes.
Z and Z prime are equal if real Z equal real Z prime, imaginary Z equal imaginary Z. Any questions here?
No. Says هيدول عاملين يعني.
Okay.
ريفيجن هدول. انت على ريفيجنز.
Given the complex number Z equal 2x plus I into x plus 1, find the value of x when Z is real. In which case Z is real?
That is real if X
If the imaginary part is 0. What is the imaginary part of Z here? Is x plus 1 equal
X plus 1.
We get x equal minus 1. Second application, معنى Z equal and Z prime equal two complex numbers. Find the value of x when x and y when Z equals Z prime. Z equals Z prime in a real part, 3 equal 2y minus 1. And the imaginary part, 2 equals x plus 1. So Z equals Z